In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital signature using Adobe Acrobat X Pro. This process is straightforward and will give your documents a polished, professional look by allowing you to sign them digitally. So let's dive right in and guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to launch your Adobe Acrobat software on your computer. Once open, navigate to the top of your screen where you'll see a button labeled See All Tools. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a plethora of options, but for now we just need to focus on creating a new PDF. So click on Create a PDF from the list provided. Next, you'll be prompted to select how you want to start your PDF. For our purposes today, choose the blank page option and then click on the Create button. This will generate an empty canvas where we can go ahead and place our digital signature. With your blank document now open, look to the top toolbar on your screen once again and click on e-sign. From the drop-down menu, select Add Signature. It's here where you'll have the flexibility to create your signature. Adobe Acrobat offers 3 different options for creating your digital signature. You can type it, draw it, or upload an image of your existing handwritten signature. For this tutorial, we're going to opt for the Draw feature. Select Draw, and you'll see a canvas where you can use your mouse to sketch out your signature just like you would with a pen on paper. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on the Apply button to save your masterpiece. Your drawn signature is now ready to be placed within your PDF. Click anywhere on the document to paste your signature. You might notice it's not quite the size you want, but that's an easy fix. Simply click and drag the edges of the signature box to resize it to your liking. With your signature perfectly positioned, let's move on to the finishing touches. Click on the Edit button located in the top toolbar and select Crop from the options. This allows you to neatly crop your signature to remove any excess space around it. Once cropped to satisfaction, press Enter. A dialog box labeled Set Page Boxes will appear next. Simply click OK and your changes will be finalized. You're nearly done. Now it's time to save your work. Navigate to the menu at the top left corner and click on Save. Make sure to pick a location known to you on your computer to easily find your newly signed document later. And there you have it, your digital signature is now a part of this PDF document. By following these steps, you've equipped yourself with the skills to digitally sign any PDF using Adobe Acrobat X Pro, making your workflow both efficient and eco-friendly. Thank you for watching, and happy signing.